Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Panasonic headphones and I'm going to tell you how can you easily fix Bluetooth pairing issues. So, at first, open Settings and here go to Connected Devices. Now scroll all the way down. Here tap Connected Preferences. Tap on Bluetooth and disable Bluetooth for a moment. Now wait 10 seconds and meanwhile turn off your headphones. After doing so, turn them on and enable Bluetooth. Then check if you can connect to your headphones. If you still can't connect to your headphones, you have to do a hard reset. To know how to do it, check our channel, we have a tutorial for it. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.